Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. I'm Piero Lorenzo and today we're going to make something very easy and tasty. Well, we're going to cook chicken breast fillet cooked in beer. Nice. We need just chicken breast fillet, salt and pepper, beer and flour. First, very hot pan. In bag with some flour. I used to do like that. You can use your technique. I put the chicken inside the bag with flour, just spin and shake it. And the second is already done. What we need is this, in the flour. Okay? Now, some nice olive oil from my cousin in Puglia. And now, with just normal escalope, I put on. I cook for me, my partner Zuzi and Enrico, my son. Okay, the last one. Okay guys, this one now, cook normal, like normal steak. When I turn it, I show you when we're gonna put the beer, okay? Okay guys, this is almost 2 minutes. Now it's time to season it. So, how much you like, black pepper, and turn it. It's not difficult, it's normal chicken breast. I recommend a little bit more salt and pepper. It's so nice. Now is the time. I have this beer at home. You can use Guinness, you can use, well, dark beer is more strong. Use what you like in there. And beer inside. Like this. And leave it to cook, okay? It's gonna be soon absorbed. Oh, look at the smell. Oh, very nice. Okay, leave it like that, cook another 2-3 minutes, and it's done. See you when it's ready, I'll show you, okay? Okay guys, 8 minutes gone. You're gonna have something like that, you know, little sauce, turn it off, it's ready, and you know, it's nice. You're gonna have this sauce with beer and the flour, you know. It's time to try it, maybe. And inside, how soft it is, it's super nice, and buonissimo, very, very nice. Guys, the chicken cooked in beer is this, you see? It's a sauce, deep sauce. It's very nice. Well, the dish is this, and if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!
Finger up and follow us.